Hi guys, we are here and we are walking along a sidewalk near the beach. We can't go into the ocean sadly because it is extremely rough, like very rough. I don't know if you saw it or not, but it is really rough and we cannot go in there. Like, that's gonna be unsafe. Nautica Beach Restaurant. Right here it is a very nice view over here. And it's a very nice restaurant. Very nice and seems pretty good. We found a nice little place to have some lunch and I'm excited for it. So yeah, let's eat. We are done walking on the beach with a nice beach smell.
He does that all the time in my hand.
No, I don't. And guess what I saw? You might not know what it is, but I saw sea chickens. The dictionary calls them seagulls, but I know more than the dictionary. So it's called the sea chickens. And I saw one and I chased after it. And everybody looked at me like I was crazy because when I was chasing after it, I screamed, "Chicken!" And they looked at me as if I was crazy.
What in the world?
So yeah. And
yeah. The wheel is back, guys. I was looking at a condo. It was about like 4 bedrooms, so it was a little too small for us. So.
Oh my.
Well.
Yeah, he's a big gangster.
What the? So that's the new town.
No, that's the old town.
Oh, that's the old town.
Yeah.